Look out, Shadow. Some of the most beautiful grass out here. It's like, man, it's almost like a putting green out here. All right, moving on.
Here's your host, Dr. Gus Greenfield.
All right, good to see everybody. I'm Gus Greenfield. First, I want to give a shout out to the Chalker Wildcats Ladies Auxiliary team. I think they're cops or something like that. And another thing I wanted to say is death to all the shitters and cute and fuzzy bunnies of the world. And God bless you. You're gonna get yours. You're gonna get yours. Anyway, I stumbled across some springtime cars from 2023, and this is basically fall. Last week of August, and the springtime cars are coming out. So we'll take a look at those and a couple other new ones that I've found along the way this past week. Just got done cutting 3 hours worth of grass. Gonna go inside, take a shower.
Watch the Indians pulverize the Blue Jays.
Look at the bluebirds. Here's from the 80s, an 89 Mazda Savannah RX-7 FC35, which is just a beautiful little car. Can't lay off it, you know? That's got a copyright date of 2021. No big deal. Here's another one. Everybody's seen these. These are from the second set of the 55th anniversary, but it's a 67 Camaro. It was sitting there by
So if you just can't leave that sitting there.
good one to modify.
The Spring Flings, or whatever they're called. It's the first time I've seen them all year. I'm sure you guys have already seen them.
Here's number 4 of 5, the 65 Ford Mustang convertible. Nice little spring colors on there. First time I've seen them all year.
Probably came out like at Easter time or something, but I never seen them. But now they're coming at our place.
Here's number 5 of 5, the 52 Chevy pickup truck. Pastel yellow.
It's got an orange bottom on it. There's a bee flying around out here.
Oh, you know what? These are from over across the farm too. They got the choking guy on the back. See the choking dude? All right, this is number 3 of 5, the 17 Jeep Wrangler. Kind of orange windshield, kind of a unique rear window in it.
A purple tire cover and a blue bottom. There's a lot of pieces in that one.
Purple's part of the interior. There's that. There's that.
Watch out, you guys got some kind of stinging bug near you.
Here's a 69 Camaro, the Spring Circuit. I think these are all Spring Circuit. 2023 Spring Circuit. 69 Camaro. With the blue bottom and the yellow interior.
I wonder why they leave that. See that down there on the driver's side?
That's number 2 of 5. And last but not least of the Spring Flings. We have, this one's called
Yeah, I felt like I had a bug on me.
Volkswagen Caddy. Nice little pickup truck there. Completely different color on the bottom. Dark, like a dark pink. And then, see the bed? Dark purple.
Sort of, I don't know, it's weird, but
The seats are purple. And it looks like the dashboard is brown. What do you think of that? And then you got the yellow windows. That's a bizarre, I don't know if you guys can see that. That is a bizarre interior. We find some more of these, we gotta rip them apart. Take them apart. Thanks again to the Chalker Bobcats, Ladies Auxiliary, for sending me the shirt. Thanks for subscribing. Ring that notification bell. Lets me know that you care. And share these videos. And I appreciate everyone that's subscribed so far. Remember what I said about watching out for the fuzzy bunnies. God bless them. But they're gonna get theirs. They'll all get theirs. I'm Gus Greenfield. I'll keep the light on so you can approve this message. Peace out.